Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of perimeter. Perimeter is actually the distance of total boundary, the length of total boundary. As you can see that total length of the boundary is called the perimeter. So what we do actually to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle is a shape in which we have length and breadth. Length shows this distance from A to C, and breadth shows this distance AB. As in the rectangle, the two distance length and breadth, they are not same. Like if AC is length and let's say this is 5 centimeters, then the other length will the breadth will be changed other than 5, like it is 3 centimeter or something else. So AC is length and AB is the breadth. So according to the definition of the perimeter of rectangle, so we find the total distance of the rectangle. So total we add all the length and breadth. So what we do, perimeter is equal to length and this length. This and this will be same. And then AB, the breadth, B, and CD, this breadth. So length plus breadth plus breadth. Now length plus length is 2L and B plus B is 2B. So perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2B. So what we can do now, we can take the 2 as common. So P is equal to 2. So when we take the 2 common, length plus breadth. So this is the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So we can use this formula to find out the any rectangle, perimeter of any rectangle in which we have length and breadth.